Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And today we are gonna unbox this is the January p.louise monthly budget box. We are actually, as you may can tell by my voice, I'm not feeling the best, so I'm gonna let Krista drive this train today. So I want to be part of it because I can't wait to see what's inside, but Krista's gonna go through the products with us.
So this is a monthly budget box. This is January, so in February we get January's, so February's will come in March, and it's $39 a month plus shipping wherever you live. And this month's box is full of amazing things. You see the box is small. It's a hint to what's inside, and we're excited.
Good things come in small packages.
Exactly.
While Krista's getting ready to go through this, I'll use what's left of my voice to remind you, if you haven't yet, I'd love for you to hit subscribe. If you enjoy this video, hit that like button. And Krista's got it open. Let's see what's inside.
And we got another free.
Oh, they said this was not going to be in the budget box, but they put it in the budget box.
They put it in the budget box. So we got this last month, the travel size of the setting spray in orange. So now we each have one. And then, so look how cute this is. It says tune into your favorite brand. And it says press play as fast forward. So like a little cassette tape player. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Lights, camera, action. So it says p.louise Budget Box down here. So we're going to press down. And when you lift it open, all of your mini products are inside. Yes, people, this is full of minis.
Guess how many minis?
I think there's supposed to be 10. So we'll let Beth take one first.
I'll hold it up while she tells you what it is.
It says Thirst Seeker.
Oh, it's a mini setting spray.
Suitable for all skin types. Hyaluronic. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid.
That's what it looks like inside.
This is a hyaluronic setting spray, travel size to go.
And it comes with tape over the spray, but then when that's off, you spray it through here.
Isn't that cute?
That's so cute.
That's adorable. Okay, so this one, oh my gosh, this is adorable. Try to get the glare off of it. And it says, oh, eyebrow gel.
Oh, it's a mini eyebrow gel. We have a big one, but we haven't used it because we don't really use eyebrow gel that much.
Look how cute on a little keychain. Oh my gosh, look. And then you just open it up, take it to, oh yeah.
This is cute.
It's clear.
This is baby Chino.
Oh, this is so cute. Look how little.
I like that. That's cute.
Next little mini.
Oh, I'm excited for this one.
This says tear proof and it's sealed. So let Beth open it. So this is the mini waterproof mascara. Oh my gosh, on the little key fob, and it's so cute.
Everything has a.
Oh, this is amazing.
3 down.
There's so many things to look at. Look at this one. It's so cute.
What is this one?
This is Protect Your Pout Mini. Peach Spirit. Ooh. I want to smell this one.
Oh, cute. Yes, I love these.
Sorry, I had to smell it first. It has a little bit of a peach smell, but this is the Protect Your Pout lip product. Oh my goodness, look how cute it is. Oh, hook it on your keychain, hook it on your bag. Oh, this is adorable. What's that one, Beth? Oh, this is Stay Shining. So it says it is sparkling and sweet. So we have the lip oil and the lip moisturizer.
And this is slightly tinted, I think.
Yeah, it is. Oh gosh, look,
it's
people.
Very cute.
The fob. I gotta smell it. You know, I gotta smell it, people.
I don't have
it's just a sweet smell. But oh,
cute.
Could that get any cuter, people? Let's see. Next we have lip teas. I think this is the mini lipstick. And this is in wifey material. I love the name.
I do too.
It is the mini lip.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, look.
It's a tiny little bullet.
Look at the color, a beautiful neutral color.
Does it have the little heart impression on it?
Yes, it even has the heart impression on it. Oh, this is so cute.
They're still like...
I know. And I know one of them goes with this. I think this is it. Smoochy lip pencil. Yes. And this is the sharpenable pencil that goes with the, so we have the liner.
I don't like sharpenable pencils, but I guess
I
mini,
I don't mind it.
Better. You'll get more product out of it probably in a mini.
Oh my gosh, look how cute. So the lip, this goes with this, so you have a set.
It's a little bit darker, but it's really pretty with it.
It'll go really nice with it. Oh. Here's you one.
This says this is a Silky Serum Peach Spirit.
Clear water gel texture that suspends baby pink spheres inside, and which burst and release serum properties to the lip. So this is a lip serum.
Okay, I gotta see the pink burst of things.
Ooh.
Okay, so
that was a lot of lip stuff, Beth.
I know. You really can't see much in it, but it does have teeny little things in it.
But look how cute. So we have a lip serum.
You can feel things in it.
Cool. Now her lips will be nice and moisturized. And then next, we have this product. So this is what was inside, and it is a lash glue for all the wonderful eyelashes we get in our boxes. And look, it's pink colored, which is cool to have a pink colored glue, so you can see it when you apply it for your eyelashes. So that is pretty cool, travel size.
Very fun.
And then last but not least, we have the Scrub Club.
And this is edible. It's actually food quality. It's sugar scrub.
And this is...
not that I recommend eating it, but you could.
See what flavor it is. Beach Buzz. Oh.
Cute. We're not going to open this one just because we each have so many of them, but it looks like a little macaroon. I will show you here in the corner what it looks like.
These are cute.
Very fun.
Oh, this was a fun box. I love all the minis. Oh my gosh.
How many minis?
10 minis. I mean, get together a nice skincare and lip and mascara. I mean,
and if you count the cost of the boxes, were less than $4 a piece.
I know. And then we got the free setting spray. This box was amazing, people.
I'm excited.
I loved the minis. The minis were so much fun. And a little travel setting spray in pink. I mean,
And if you're not wearing makeup, you could just use that as a refresher. It looks like.
Exactly. A skin for nice. If you hydrate your skin during the day, so keep it in your purse. Use it on the go.
Nice.
Yes, thank you. I loved the minis. Oh, this was fun.
I apologize for my voice. I just didn't want to wait any longer. We've had this box for a few days, and I've been sick for a week. And I'm like, Krista, do you mind? And she's like, nope, let's do it. So I'm glad that we got a chance to show you this box together. Again, if you did enjoy it, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. But today from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.